Hello guys, today is the third video on how to make pattern in PowerPoint. In case you have missed my first two videos, you can go and check out the description box, or you can click the I button on top right corner of the screen. So without any further delay, let's start. So here I have a new document. I'll right click on the title slide. I'll change its layout to blank so that we don't have anything on the screen. So for your reference, I'm keeping a cube here. If you see the pattern carefully, we have the small cubes repeated several times in both horizontal and vertical directions. So let's create these first. For that, come to the drawing option and choose rectangle. Press shift and drag your mouse so that you will get a square. Come to shape outline. Under format tab, come to shape outline and click no outline. Choose a color of your choice. For now, I'm going with the blue color. Now come to size and make sure you make it 2 by 2. It can be anything. You can see the cube has 3 faces visible, so we have to make 3 faces. So I'll press Ctrl D 2 times to get 2 duplicates. So I'm keeping these 3 like that. So this is going to be our top, right and left. Okay, so top, right and left. Select the top one, come to effect option, 3D rotation, and make sure you give it isometric top. Okay, similar way, select the right square, come to 3D rotation and you give it a isometric right up. And again you have to do the same thing. So you give it a isometric left. Now just zoom in here so that we can work carefully. You have to place these cubes very carefully. In fact, you can use your arrows to set it properly. Yeah, and next one. Yes. Okay, so now our cube is ready, but you see the edges are not properly visible. This is because all the boxes are of same color. So what we have to do, so select the left square, come to shape fill, come to more fill color option and just increase its darkness. Click OK. Now you can see all the 3. And what I will do, since usually lights are usually on the top, definitely the top surface will be little lighter in color. So I'll again come to shape fill, more fill color, and I'll just increase it to make it little lighter. So now our cube is ready. I'll delete the previous one. So I'll select it and delete. Now what you have to do, select everything, press Ctrl G to group it. Now you can change its size, drag this cube to the corner and let us zoom in there. Press Ctrl D and arrange it carefully. This looks fine to me. And now keep on pressing Ctrl D. I'll make few extra copies. Nice. Now again press Ctrl A to select everything. And again come to corner. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. And make sure you arrange it very carefully. This looks fine to me. Now without clicking anywhere else, keep on pressing Ctrl D and you will continue to get duplicate. So if I zoom out, you can see my system is a little bit bugging because I have turned on the screen recording, but in case if you do your own system, you won't come across such issues. So now you can see you have a very nice pattern here. Also, what you can do, you can select all by pressing Ctrl A, right click, save as picture, and let us give a name here, cube pattern tutorial. Now take a new slide, go to insert picture, this PC, and let us find the same image. Okay, so I'll cover up the entire slide, and here you have a very nice pattern made in PowerPoint. Now few of my viewers in the other 2 videos asked me that what are the uses of these patterns. So guys, you can use this pattern to use as your slide background. So I have made here, I'll come to slideshow mode. You can see how I have used this pattern to make my slide background. So guys, I hope you liked the tutorial. I have one more video coming on how to make patterns in PowerPoint. In case you like my videos and want to get latest updates, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you like my tutorials, go and hit the like button and share with your colleagues and fellows. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the tutorial.